Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to log into the rednote app using your Facebook account. This is a quick and easy way to start using rednote without having to create a new account. So let's jump right in. Open your rednote app on your device, and on the home page you will see two options: login and other login methods. In this case, we will choose the login option and click on it. The app will open the next page where you can see that the app asks you to enter your mobile number. But since we want to log in via Facebook, we will click on the Facebook icon. Of course, the app will open a small window and ask you if you agree to the terms, privacy policy, and rules. If you agree, you should click on the Agreed and Continued option. After clicking on the Agreed and Continued option, the app will automatically log in and take you to the home page. Of course, it is important that you already have a Facebook account logged in so that you can easily log in to the rednote app. If not, a page will open where you will choose whether you want to continue by clicking on your account, then choosing the option whether you are male or female and how old you are, and only then will you be able to access the application. In our case, we have already done that. And there you have it. Logging into the rednote application using your Facebook account is super easy and fast. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more tips and tricks for applications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.